Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is order of execution. The order of execution refers to the sequence in which system events and automation rules are processed when a record is created, updated or deleted. It is a set of rules that describe the path a record takes through all automation and the events that happen from save to commit. Before Salesforce executes these events on the server, the browser runs JavaScript validations if the record contains any dependent pick list fields. The validation limits each dependent pick list field to its available values. In a short, order of execution is system validation rule, before triggers, custom validation rule, duplicate rules, after triggers, assignment rules, auto response rules, workflow rules, process builder, escalation rules, entitlement rules, roll-up summary, cross object updates, commit to database, post commit logic, future methods, queuable, etc. Sharing rules. System validation rules. System validation checks are performed to verify the compliance of fields with their field data types. Before triggers, the before triggers are executed. These triggers allows us to modify a record value before it is saved to the database. Custom validation rule, defined as we need to validate the data as per the business requirement. Duplicate rules, these rules are evaluated to identify any potential duplicates before a record is saved. After triggers, the after triggers are executed. These triggers work on the final record after it has been inserted or updated in the database. Assignment rules. Assignment rules like lead and case assignment rules are processed if applicable. Auto response rules. Auto response rules for leads and cases are executed, sending automatic email responses based on the criteria defined in the rules. Workflow rules. Workflow rules are processed. This can involve field updates, email alerts, task creation, and outbound messages. Field updates may trigger a re-evaluation of validation rules and before and after triggers if recursive workflows are enabled. Process builders. Process builder automations run next. They can create records, update fields, or initiate approval processes. Field updates done by Process Builder can cause recursive execution of triggers if applicable. Escalation rules. Escalation rules are processed if the operation is on a case object. Entitlement rules. Entitlement rules are applied to cases to ensure that the service level agreements SLAs are met. Roll-up summary fields, cross-object workflow field updates. If the record updates a roll-up summary field on the parent record is updated and this can trigger another round of workflow rules and validation on the parent. After save commit, once all automation processes have completed, the data is committed to the database. Committing the save to the database finalizes all changes. Post commit logic. Sending emails from workflow rules or approval processes, execution of asynchronous jobs like queuable apex or future methods, outbound messages are sent and other external actions are triggered. Criteria based sharing rules. Criteria based sharing rules are evaluated, the record's access is adjusted accordingly. Thank you.